Hey guys, today let's learn how to check or how to solve Snapchat temporarily disabled problems. If you are experiencing this issue, that your Snapchat account is temporarily disabled, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to fix this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Snapchat application. If you are still experiencing some problems, and you still can't launch the Snapchat application properly, well, all we need to do is to double check our internet connection with our Wi-Fi and see if we are stably connected with our internet. This could contribute to issues like this. So go ahead and double check that real quick. And you could also go ahead and try your cell data instead of your Wi-Fi and see which one between the two is gonna work better for you. Now one more quick fix that we can also do is to go ahead and make sure that our Snapchat applications is updated to the latest version. So go ahead and launch the app stores and search for Snapchat. And make sure that you have the latest version running. If you do have an update available, I would like you either proceed with updating the application to the latest version so that bugs like this would be fixed and you are gonna have the best user experience possible. And the last thing that we could also do is to go and launch the Safari options or Safari applications and search for the Snapchat Help Center. And I want you to go ahead and submit a request. So tap on submit a request right there. And let's basically choose the option that we can't access our account. So we do have a lot of options right here. Like I think my account was compromised. I can't access my account. And that's what we want to go ahead and choose. Now in this case, I want you to go ahead and choose the option to think my account is logged and basically proceed with trying to contact them. So basically, this won't show us the specific options to contact them. So let's try another option. As you see here, if you do have an option to choose, that is gonna be, I think my account was compromised. Then I want you to guys, so go ahead and choose to proceed with adding your username, adding your preferred email, adding your mobile number, and entering a quick description of your issue. So go and just tell them that your Snapchat is temporarily disabled. You don't know why this is happening, and you have some important stuff to access on Snapchat, and it is gonna be an urgent problem. So tap on submit once you're done, and wait for the Snapchat team to get back to you and see if they can solve your problem. And that's all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys find something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.